Okay, so looking at this assignment, we see we've got a lot of rounded corners here. So up to this point, it has been basically if I've drawn something, so say I've got a shape here and we wanted to round this corner, what we do is draw like a circle and then take it, hit our move command, make sure my OSNAP settings are what they should be here. And so I grab it, put it down like this, then take my move command again, grab this edge, and then with my ortho on, go over here. Then I would hit my trim button and just start trimming like crazy here. There. I'll regen this here. Now I have a nice, perfectly rounded edge here. But there is a much easier way. And the command is Fillet, which is the title of today's assignment. And it's probably buried here somewhere. I would expect it to be somewhere here. Oh yeah, here we go, Fillet. So it's pronounced fillet, it's not French, it's not filet. The way we run this command is type it, and then the first thing we need to do, we'll notice in our command bar here at the bottom, it's saying to select our first objects, and we've got all our typical options here. First thing we want to do is set a radius. So I'm going to hit R for radius, and it's letting me know that my current radius is set to 0, which wouldn't round my edge at all. So say for this drawing, I needed to do a radius of 0.5, so I'm going to type in 0.5, hit enter. And then now, basically, all I do is select the two edges, so each side that I'm going to want to round. So if I want to round this corner right here, I'll click this edge and then this edge, and voila, perfectly rounded corner there. Now, there's a number of other options we can do to make this even more efficient. So you'll notice here's M for multiple, so I can hit M. And then now it's saved my radius setting from the last time, so it's still set to 0.5, so I don't need to change that again. But now if I want to round all my edges, I can just keep clicking, and it's going to stay in my command since I hit this M for multiple. So it'll stay in my command until I'm done using it, and then I can hit enter to exit out of that. So really quick way for me to round all my edges. But say I want to be even more efficient, I'm going to draw my rectangle again, run my fillet, and then this time I'm going to hit P for polyline, hit enter, and now you can see it's asking me to select a two-dimensional polyline, which in this case would be my entire rectangle, and voila, it's rounded all my edges at the same time. So yeah, that was the P for polyline command. And let's see. The only other option here, which I'm not sure why anyone would ever use, but you can toggle the trim feature on and off. So when I added these rounded edges, it automatically trimmed away the outer points to it. You can actually turn that function on and off. So if I were to do it with it off, and again, this is extremely rarely used in this class, but just for the purposes of demonstration, I'm going to hit T for trim, and then you'll notice right now it's saying enter trim mode. Right now it's set to trim, which is enter. I'm going to hit N for no trim, and then I'll hit my P for polyline again to do my entire rectangle here. I click on it, and you'll see now I'm completed my command. I have my rounded edges, but it didn't trim away my outer points. So I mainly show that to you because some people accidentally turn off their trim feature, and then they're wondering why it doesn't work. So that's how you turn it on and off. It's just hit the T for trim. Any questions at all on the fillet command?